Hey guys, I just saw a comment on Facebook that made me think a little bit. Someone said that if you say that the forward assist is useless, that you don't know how to run your rifle, that you're just standing around at an indoor range plinking or whatever, and you're not running your rifle. So let me go ahead and say this. I don't think the forward assist is useless. It can make malfunctions worse, so therefore it does have a function. But I do think it's stupid. But in regards to running the rifle, I want to show commenters that say stuff like that I do know how to run my rifle. Hey, I'm running my rifle! Look! Running my rifle!